YouTube, what are you telling me? It's Imhotep aka Mr. Imam. We're back again with another video. This is just going to be a quick wave update because I wanted to try and make this like a journey so you lot can see the progress and how it works along. Mainly for those people who never had waves before and all that kind of thing, just so you get an idea. But yeah, that's what it's going to be. I've been brushing and, you know, do my processes and stuff here and there. I just work out pretty much. And this is what I'm working with. So you can see the pattern start, the waves starting to come in the sides now. They usually, I find that mine come in on the sides first. And yeah, so that's pretty much, just see if I can get a better angle. Crown might be a bit bad. Yeah. But yeah, just a quick update so you see the progress over there. But yeah, we're back with another video. I ain't even try to make promises. Do you know what it is? Because I'm busy. Like I got a lot of stuff going on. I got exams coming up. But you know, when I start to get more free, you'll see more content more regularly. Wow, I covered the mic. But yeah, basically I've got exams right now, so you know, kind of exams coming up, so ain't really got that much time to give to the videos. But you know, you'll see me when you see me. Alright, take care.